How to change vehicle and general control settings in Darkest Days. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Darkest Days and want to customize how your character and vehicle respond to your controls, firstly open up the game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go to the upper right corner and tap on the tablet menu. Now you'll see this expanded menu where you'll need to click on the gear button at the bottom. You'll be taken to the settings page where you need to click controls. Under controls, go to the vehicle controls on the left in order to change your vehicle controls. Now you'll see there's 3 different options for your vehicle control. You can choose the control mode 1, 2 or 3. Press the new controller type you want for your game and then click on save. Right after you do that, now when your character gets inside a vehicle, you'll see a different control type. Similarly, you can also go ahead and tap on the character controls on the left and select the type of the character control you want from the menu. Choose whether you'd like the 1 option, 2 option or the 3 option and tap on save. So right after you do that, you will be able to change your vehicle and general control setting in Darkest Days. You can also go ahead and customize the sensitivity or the controller option if you want further customization. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.